Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Cadence Roll in FC Mobile. This skill move is a fantastic way to outmaneuver defenders and open up scoring opportunities. It involves a quick, fluid motion that shifts your player's momentum, leaving opponents guessing. Understanding its mechanics is the first step to integrating it seamlessly into your gameplay. We'll cover the simple steps to execute it and when to best deploy it on the pitch. To perform the cadence roll, it's quite straightforward. While your player is dribbling, simply swipe down on the sprint and skill button located on the right side of your screen. This action triggers the quick directional change. Remember, timing is crucial. Execute it when a defender is closing in, about 1 to 2 player lengths away, to maximize its impact and create that vital separation. The cadence roll shines in specific situations. It's perfect for those moments when you're in the final third, facing a defender head-on, and need to quickly shift to one side to get a shot off or deliver a precise pass. Imagine you're about 5 to 10 yards from the goal. A well-timed cadence roll can open up a clear path. It's also effective when a defender is aggressively pressing you, allowing you to bypass their challenge. To truly master the cadence roll, consistent practice is key. Spend about 10 to 15 minutes in the training arena each day, focusing solely on this move. Try combining it with a fake shot or a simple pass to create more complex attacking sequences. Pay close attention to your opponent's defensive patterns. If they tend to overcommit, the cadence roll becomes even more devastating. With dedication, you'll be weaving through defenses like a pro.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.